Welcome to the 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Eitada.
Number two.
This is Number 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Ferrisfield. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Nedbank Cup semi-finals. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, Mr. Ngoma. I'm very extremely happy.
Yeah, I can.
You know what is the word extremely happy? We know for now we're still cooking. For now it's cooking.
Dishing.
But now it's the time for dishing.
Yeah, eating now.
We are dishing, and we know what? I've got time saying. For Thursday we're going for PE. We're going to beat Chipa United.
Yeah.
You like it or not? You know what can I say? I did tell the Sundowns fans that for that match, it's the last man standing. Who is the last man standing now?
Kaizer Chiefs.
Who is the last man standing now? It's Kaizer Chiefs now.
Yeah.
So I don't care which team I'm gonna meet. I'm gonna meet on the banner. I'm gonna bury someone. I don't care. It's Cape Town. If it's Cape Town, I'm gonna bury someone. Tito. I'm gonna bury Tito for when? Inside out Robert Island. I'm gonna bury someone. I don't care what you say. We are cooking now. It's the time for burying. Kaizer Chiefs, we are ready to dishing. I don't know where can I say I can dish for that guy. You are I don't care what can I say. I'm so extremely happy. I'm so extremely happy.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much.
My name is Tabse from Greater Winbeck.